update to the ability to add appointments, but to make repeating appointments. So if there's an order to see a patient once a week, you can create an appointment and then have it repeat weekly until the end of the current certification period or until the end of the next certification period. So let me begin with this patient, and this is a test account. These are all fictional patients. So from the chart screen here, there is a new button that was added next to patient encounters. This is where you'll see visits. Here's a button, has a picture of a little calendar with a plus. So if you click on that, that'll take you to the new screen to create appointments. Now, since most of the time you're creating appointments for yourself, it's automatically taking that into account. And you'll see up here, appointment with Jill Brown. Obviously, I'm not Jill, but so you do not need to pick the person, the staff member. It's using your login. You pick a visit type like you normally would, and there's only really one choice, which is routine visit. If it was urgent visit, then you would type in a reason. But typically urgent visits are not repeated, so I'm going to not show that one. So routine follow-up visit, you pick the start date. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick today. And for this example, I'm going to say we're doing daily visits, maybe because there's a new symptom that's occurred, pain out of control. So in this case, you do have to pick the total number of visits when it's daily instead of a stop date like 3 months from now, which wouldn't make sense. So if I say 2 daily visits, it'll do this date and the next, or 3, 4, up to 7. So I'll say 4 daily visits. And notice below that, and I had to scroll to show it, it doesn't show automatically. So make sure you scroll to the bottom. Replace all future appointments after January 18th. In this case, I don't want to replace everything. It'll delete all the future appointments, but I want to leave those because she has once a week visits in the future. All I want to do is just add some 4 daily visits. So click save, and that'll go ahead and put in our daily visits. And in the chart, notice there's this future visits button you can click on and get a preview of what's coming up. So we have our daily visits. I already put one in. That's why there's 2, sorry. But you see here's 1, 2, 3, 4. So you got your 4 visits in a row. And then here you got your weekly visits showing up on Monday. So now the next example, I'm going to show, say after the daily visits, we want to do twice a week visits. So again, I'll pick follow-up, routine, start date this time. I want to pick next week on Tuesday. And for the time, just whatever time you think you'll be doing it, repeat. I want to say several days a week. And in this case, you simply pick the days you want to do it. So let's do Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And we'll just do it to the end of the current benefit period. The other option is the end of the next benefit period, but we'll just stick to here. And in this case, I want to leave it checked. Replace all my future appointments after January 26th, because that's the start date I picked here for this patient. So it's not going to remove the daily visits because those were before January 26th, but everything after January 26th, it's going to remove. So now I got my daily visits, and this is extra, so I'm just going to delete that real quick so it's not so confusing. Okay, so future visits, we got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday are 4 in a row. And then I selected the following week to do Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now this just shows the upcoming 7 visits. So if we want to look at all visits, I'd have to go to the calendar. And if I go to the monthly calendar and I scroll down, you'll see Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And if I go to February, you'll see Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, until the end of the cert period, which was this week. So it made the appointments. Here it is. I'll just click on one so you can see. Yep, Jill Brown, provider, Jody Bodie. So that's a couple examples. The other way to create your appointment is still there under action. So schedule a visit, and you have the same choices. Select the type, the date it's going to begin. We'll go to February this time, February 1st, and we'll make it once a week. And we'll remove all future appointments after that. So now you'll see if we go back to the calendar month view for February, now it's once a week instead of Monday, Wednesday, Friday.